Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have these two pretty eyeliners. I've got the pink one and the blue one. I can't wait to try them out, so let's get started. When I saw on the website, in the PR, on Instagram of Kylie Cosmetics, I saw these two eyeliners and I was really like, oh, it's baby blue, baby pink, I need to have this. So I bought that whole bundle, as you know, if you see the first video. If not, you can watch it right here. So this is the eyeliners and I'm going to try them out. But first, let's swatch. These are the colors. So the pink is a little bit darker than I thought it would be. It is not baby pink, but it is baby blue. I really like it. So as you can see, I'm starting where I left the previous video, but now I am using these two. So for the pink one, I'm going to use the pink one just to see what it does. Okay, the tip is thick. It isn't bendable at all. You know, I like not a felt tip, but I like a bristled tip with loose hairs, so they bend with my eye for the best result. And as you can see, it is eating that eyeshadow underneath it. So that's not cute. You can't play with this one a lot. It is just not like a black eyeliner. I can feel it pulling. If I go on top of it again to get that nice pigmentation. Okay, I really was expecting something different from this eyeliner. Let's try blue. So blue pigmentation is already a lot better than that pink one. I have the feeling that it is wetter. It's more wet and moist than that pink one. So I don't have the feeling that I can be very precise with these eyeliners. I think that the coverage of that eyeliner is also not that great because you are having a little bit of a spotted liner. I am going to be honest, this is not what I was expecting and hoping from the eyeliners. You can't go on top of it and on top of it because it's going to be very sticky and pulling everything off your eye, and it's going to be very patchy like here. And you can see with the blue one that the pigmentation is not there, and yeah, that's such a shame because I really liked the idea of that blue and pink eyeliner. And because it's a felt tip, it isn't bendable, so you can't drag it in the line not that great as that you would like it to drag it. Yeah, okay. So for me, this liner is a no, and that's a shame. It's a shame. It's really sad to say that it's not a winner for me. But if you have another experience than me, please let me know down below, and I am very curious about your experience with these eyeliners. This was it for the eyeliner video. Next week we've got the lipstick video, and yeah, for now I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!